are you?
I am Divya Chaudhary.
How are you, Divya?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Where do you live?
I live in Bhopal.
Where do you live in Bhopal?
I live in Nariyal. I live in Nariyal Kheda.
In Bhopal.
In Bhopal.
At what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Do you take tea?
Yes, I take tea.
Who makes tea?
My mother makes tea.
How many times do you take tea?
I take tea which
Twice a day.
Twice a day. Once in the morning and evening.
Do you take tea with biscuit?
Yes, I take tea with biscuit.
Which biscuit do you take?
I take Happy biscuit.
Very good. हाँ
Do
क्वेश्चन
you
पूछो
go to
बेटा.
school?
Yes, I go to school.
In which class do you study?
I study in 3rd class.
पूछो which is your favorite subject?
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject English
Is English.
is English.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Very good.
What do you do at school?
I attend class, study, play game, during the break.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer Virat Kohli
Is
is Virat Kohli.
Why do you like him?
I like because in
him
him
because
he plays
well.
well.
Do you use phone?
Yes, I use phone.
Which phone do you use?
I use iPhone.
What do you do phone?
पूछो क्या तुम रील बनाती हो सब पूछो.
Do you make reels?
Yes, I make reels.
आप पूछो कब
How
बनाती
many
हो.
how many reels do you make?
How many reels? कितनी reels आप बनाती हो? I make
reel.
कितनी नंबर? I make 2 reels.
I make 2 reels.
ओके. अब इनसे क्वेश्चन पूछो कि क्या तुम पार्क जाते हो.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the
अब
park.
पूछो कब जाते हो.
When do you go to the park?
I go to the park. I go to park
At
at
7 o'clock, 8
7
o'clock.
7 o'clock.
ओके. अब इनसे पूछो निशा क्या तुम योगा करती हो. डू यू डू योगा.
Do you do exercise?
हाँ. यस.
Yes, I exercise.
ओके. दैट्स ग्रेट.
When do you exercise?
I exercise at 8 o'clock.
दैट्स ग्रेट. अब इनसे निशा ये पूछो कि तुम्हारा भाई किस क्लास में पढ़ता है.
In which class does your brother
स्टडी.
study?
My brother
माय ब्रदर स्टडीज.
My brother studies in 1st class.
ओके. और क्वेश्चन करिए इनसे. कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं. अब इनसे पास्ट में भी कर सकते हैं कि कल तुमने क्लास अटेंड करी. डिड यू अटेंड द क्लास यस्टरडे.
Did you attend the class yesterday?
Yes, I attend the class.
अटेंडेड हो जाएगा सेकंड फॉर्म में.
I attended the class.
इस तरह से हम कन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हैं, है ना. जैसे कि अगर टी पर पूछो डू यू टेक टी पूछो.
Do you take tea?
Yes, I take tea.
अब इनसे ये पूछो कि क्या तुम छत पर चाय पीती हो.
Do you take tea in a terrace?
डू यू टेक टी ऑन द रूफ या एट ऑन टेरेस बोल सकते हैं.
On the terrace.
No, I don't.
नो आई डोंट टेक टी
No, I don't take tea terrace.
ऑन द टेरेस.
On the terrace.
ठीक है. अब इनसे पूछो कि तुम कोचिंग कितने बजे जाती हो.
At what time do you go to the coaching?
I go to the coaching at 4 o'clock.
In the daytime? In the morning? In daytime no? Yes, 4 p.m. Okay. पूछो कि तुम वहाँ क्या करती हो, सब पूछो.
Okay, करती हो. What do you do? What do you do in a coaching?
In
What
the
do you do? Go to the coaching.
What do you do in the coaching?
What do you do in the coaching?
बोलो मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ती हूँ.
I
study
English.
English. पूछो क्या तुम्हें चॉकलेट पसंद है?
Do you like chocolates?
Yes, I like chocolate.
पूछो कौन सी चॉकलेट?
Which chocolate do you like?
I like chocolate melody. देखो मेरा दोस्त